Hi everyone, my name is Nandish. I live in Brampton, Ontario in Canada. It has been a few months since I started using the hair system installed and styled by Superhairpieces. This is M101 I'm wearing. It's a natural black color, 10% gray to match my existing hairs, the one that gives me the proper blending. Currently I'm wearing it with a glue on it. It's been a few months since I started using it. Right after I started using the hair system, I traveled for about 4 to 5 weeks. I went to India and Dubai. You can imagine how hot those places can be even during the winters. So when I went there, I did a lot of outdoor activities. I went to the mountains, beaches, pool, and I did a lot of stuff. And my experience was really great. Even during the traveling, it was good. Let me tell you one more thing. So I also did parasailing over there, and the parasailing, they do it. It's very high, and when I went to the beach, it was really windy, and I was like, no, I don't want to do it. But I took my chance, and I did it. And trust me, the experience was excellent. Now let me tell you how I use it. I mostly use my M101 with glued on it. I use their Ghost Bond Classic. So it's pretty nice. It gives me 4 weeks of hold. You can also wear it and slip with that one. Sometimes for some people it can be a little bit uncomfortable, but if you don't have like proper pillows and everything, but for me it was okay. So if you don't like putting it on your head while slipping, Superhairpieces, they have lots of other options too, right? They have different tapes, adhesives, even the clips are available. So you can go on their websites, or you can also talk to their customer support, and they will tell you about their products. And you can go from like a daily tapes to a weekly, bi-weekly, or they also have products which goes up to 4 to 6 weeks, depending on type of the activities you do and the scalp you have. They have posted 2 videos, adhesive part 1 and 2, on their YouTube channel. I would highly recommend go check it out. They talk about different products they have and which products support which type of hair system. It's pretty informative. Now for the cleaning part, I use KP Pro Solvent. It's a 2-in-1 adhesive remover and scalp cleanser. This one is a really popular one. It's really great. There is one more product. There are plenty, but there is another popular one which is C22. But I like this better. It works for me, and we also recommend this one. So yeah, it's a great one. You can try it. Now coming back to my experience. So after I put the Superhairpieces, when they installed the system, they styled my hair. After that, I met lots of people, right? I saw a lot of co-workers, my colleagues, my wife and my kids were the first one to see me. I also met a lot of people in India, and it's been a few months and tons of people have seen me, and so far everybody has told me that it's great, right? They told me that my hair looks fine, the quality, the texture, it really gives the natural look you wanted. I want to try it. I tried it, and so far, even my manager, when I saw him first time in the office, he was like, dude, you look really good. So I was like, yeah, I haven't done anything which makes me look weird or unnatural. By everyone, their feedback was really positive on me. This weekend I'm trying to go to a water park with my family, and for that one, in order to get the extra hold and bonding, I purchased KP Skin Med. This one is basically to enhance your bonding right between the scalp and the system. It also helps with the oily skin workout, and it does say that it's waterproof and professional use only. So I'm gonna try this one over the weekend. I might share some videos, me diving into the pool, doing all the crazy rides, water rides, and I'll share my story. But hey, for the people out there who hasn't tried it, I want to say that it's new. You haven't tried it, you have lots of questions, pick up a phone, call them. They do audio video consultation. They will tell you different products which are good fit for you. check it out and just try the one which you think is best, because hey, it's first time, right? It's not gonna go miserable, it's gonna be good. Trust me. You like, their work is pretty nice. You won't be disappointed. So try it out, and again, after a few months you will learn from the experience, and you can always make adjustments, enhancement to your system when you buy the next one, right? That's it from my end.